Welcome to Senior System Architect course, CSSA certification. In this course, we will be looking upon application development, case management, data and integration, missions, and also some additional modules. In application development mission, we will be seeing how to create a brand new Pega platform application from scratch, application versioning, application rule sets, how to create a team app, what is the use of a team application, rule specialization by class, by rule set, and by circumstance, application migration, that is how to lift application from one server and deploy it in another server. In case management, we will look upon extending SLA configurations, parallel processing, managing concurrent case access, flow action processing, organization records. That is what are the organization records that we are going to have: arg rule, div rule, unit rule. In data and integration mission, we will look various aspects like validating a data entered by user in the application, key data pages, how to exchange data with other applications. Pega systems doesn't exist in vacuum. It has to communicate with other applications, to send data to other applications, to fetch data from other applications. Integrations, integration errors, error handling, web services. In additional modules, we will be looking upon small modules like access control, securing data, activities, background processing, automating actions when a property value changes, how to review the log files. We will also look upon various tools we have like database trace, performance profiler, performance analyzer. These are all the different tools available in Pega platform to measure, monitor, and debug the system performance. What is meant by relevant records and its use, Pega web mashup, mobile apps for Pega applications. So if you see, the various test domains are these, and this is the percentage or weightage of questions in each of these areas in your exam. So in application development, we will see about enterprise class structure, rule resolution, versioning, circumstancing, background processing. In case management, we'll see about parallel processing, locking strategies, that is default and optimistic, flow action, pre-processing, post-processing, SLAs. Coming to data integration, as we have discussed, we'll see what are the connectors, web services, integrations, file listeners. In user interface, we will see about web mashups. Coming to reporting, we see reports with multiple users, multiple sources, using associations, sub-reports, joins, indexes. In performance, we will see about various performance tools given by Pega platform. Coming to security, we have something called basic access control, ABAC, RBAC, CBAC, and mobility is related to Pega mobile and certificates and others. So do stay tuned, do subscribe to our channel for the complete course that is going to rush to your devices. Thank you.